How to add or import custom tokens to MetaMask wallet. In order to add or import custom tokens to MetaMask wallet, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now, first you can use the MetaMask mobile app, or you can also simply open your browser and go to the MetaMask extension instead. Once you are here, let's say you want to import a custom token. So under tokens, right on the homepage, you'll find a couple of tokens that you can buy from the token marketplace using your payment options. But if you have on a third party network, then you can also go ahead and then import those. Over here, you can click the plus icon, or you can also see the import button. If you see the plus or import, just click on it. Once you do that, you can first of all search for the tokens you've acquired using MetaMask. But these are the default tokens that you have inside MetaMask. But if you want to import a custom token, you have to simply go to the custom token tab. Then simply make sure to enter your token contract address. It says me anyone can create a token, including creating fake versions of existing tokens. Learn about scams and security risk. Now, if you're sure it's not a scam, then make sure to enter your token contract address, hit the next button, and the token will be imported to your MetaMask wallet. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.